Use additional trainable variables in Keras/TensorFlow custom loss function. I know how to write a custom loss function in Keras with additional input, not the standard y_true, y_pred pair, see below. My issue is inputting the loss function with a trainable variable, a few of them, which is part of the loss gradient and should therefore be updated. My workaround is enter the network a dummy input of nxv size where n is the number of observations and v number of additional variables. Add a dense layer dummy_output so that Keras will track my v weights. Use this layer's v weights in my custom loss function for my true output layer. Use a dummy loss function, simply returns 0.0 and/or has weight 0.0, for this dummy_output layer so my v weights are only updated via my custom loss function. My question is there a more natural Keras/TF-like way of doing this? Because it feels so contrived, not to mention prone to bugs. Example of my workaround. Yes, I know this is a very silly custom loss function, in reality things are much more complex. Seems to work as indeed whatever the start values for var1 and var2, the initialization of the dummy_output layer, they aspire for -inf and 0 respectively. This plot comes from running the model iteratively and saving those two weights like below.
Answering my own question here, after days of struggling I got it to work without dummy input. I think this is much better and should be the canonical way until Keras/TF simplify the process. This is how the Keras/TF docs do it here. The key to using a loss function with external trainable variable is through working with a custom loss/output layer which has self.add_loss ... in its call implementation, like so. Now notice the myLoss layer needs two inputs, the actual y_true and the predicted y until that point. Finally, as TF docs mention, in this case you do not have to specify the loss or y in the fit function. Again, notice that y_train comes into fit as one of the inputs. Now it works. I should also mention this specific pattern of var1, var2 highly depends on their initial values. If var1's initial value is higher than 1, it will not in fact decrease until -inf.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.